Hello traders out there in Traderland, my name's Dez here at Grok Trade, and this is the weekend edition. Wall Street snaps its 3-week win streak as the Fed's budget deadline draws near and nearer. Anyway, on Friday the markets did drop here. This is the S&P daily. And overall, we're in a big rising wedge. We had this significant rally making a new swing high, and we have a beautiful bull pullback with kind of a sloping type pattern here. It's a slowing of momentum to the downside. Now we have a hammer. With that hammer, we're above the rising 20 and 50-day moving averages. A nice chance for a rally. We're at 38.2 Fibonacci retracement area also. So nice support also with price action giving us some support. On the weekly chart, most up legs go between 5 to 6 bars, and we're up 1, 2, only 2, showing a little bit of weakness here for the week. And technically we have what looks to be a bearish engulfing type pattern at a resistance point, so there's a good chance going in next week could be bearish. However, because the Feds have not relinquished their buying program, we still have a chance to make a candlestick, another white one right here, building a little bit of a base here before it wants to break out. So it's something that we're watching for. MACD on the weekly chart is still above the zero line, which is good. We do like that. So it's something we are paying some attention to here. Looking at the monthly, green, red, green. The month isn't over yet, but we're starting to wrap that up. We could go into our red one going in next month, and if that happens, that means this weekly chart would start dropping and the daily chart would break down below this rising wedge, which is be really no good at all. Gold on Friday up 1%, but if you draw a couple trend lines here, you'll have this. We're at a resistance point now, and this. You can see a triangle, so this is going to build strength. We have more moving averages above than below, so it's acting as resistance. If you go to a line chart, you'll see that I drew those lines perfectly, but not so much if you look at it just on a candlestick chart. It's a more advanced way of drawing trend lines, and that should be a big help to you, but watch for a big pop or a drop on gold, silver, very much the same thing. I won't take the time to draw the lines in there, but Google, you'll see a nice pullback here below all major moving averages. I do see upside potential here, but with a lot of moving averages converged together. You can see it right here, a tightening here of this. That means we're going into a triangle type formation, so it's something to be watching for, and expect a nice movement at some point. So if you look at this line coming down right here, big triangle being built. Apple here, same thing, a little bull pullback with moving averages acting as support, so look for upside potential on Apple. And Facebook was up 1.7% on Friday. It's just on fire. You cannot stop Facebook right now. That is insane. Microsoft went up, broke that resistance line we've been watching for, but came back down. Be watching for a significant breakout, a confirmed breakout. Now listen, you've been hearing me all week talk about our Stock Picks vNewsletter. Our big one for Friday, big, almost a 5% rally on Nike. They are on our bull list. Nice run from down here at $60. Now we're up here at 60 or 73 bucks. Celsius was up 3%, breaking out a resistance point. This was a trade. I mean, it went down here from 115. We're at 154. These are stocks on our bull list, gang. Big. KKD was up 2.5% from down here at $13. Now almost 20 bucks. Facebook is on our list, so I'm just giving you a couple of those. On Friday that was up quite a bit, but it's down here at $25. It has gone up 100% in just a couple months, gang. Huge. But we don't just go bullish, we also go bearish out here in the markets. And TCK is just now breaking down out of a rising wedge. It's in trouble. This one has found a top. It's heading down. It was down 2.6% on Friday. This one came from $40 now to 28 bucks. This is in a bull market. We've dropped this much in the last few months. Just a huge drop. So anyway, we have a ton of bullish picks and bearish picks. We do fundamentally, and then from there we trade them tactically. It's the best of both worlds. We bring fundamentals in and technicals, and we don't just trade bullish, we also trade bearish. We are the most balanced, the most thorough lists that are out there, period. try to challenge us on that. Nobody does both bullish and bearish who also incorporates fundamentals and technicals. It is the best of the best when it comes to stock picks list. I'm going to give you 2 weeks free. Listen up.